All right, second grade, let's start with the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, everyone. Good morning, second grade. Happy to have you all back with us on this Catch-Up Friday. Not mustard. So happy. All right, let's go and check out the stream for today. See what the agenda looks like. Okay, we have a morning meeting at 9 o'clock. I'm thinking we'll have some share time this morning. So think about something you want to share with everybody else in the class. So that will be our morning meeting for today at 9 o'clock. Morning work, it says to finish any missing work from the current week. ELA, I'd like you to read today for 30 to 40 minutes. And also finish any missing ELA work from the week. Writing, same idea. You got to finish your informational writing. Your special today is music. Check out the classwork tab. Math, finish any missing work from the week. Also, if you didn't do that Mastery Connect assessment on measurement, please do it. It's in there. There's a couple of friends that still have not completed it. And science, finish up any missing science work from the week, which were your animal observations. You only had to do it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay? So, if you're not too sure if something's missing or if something was sent back to you and you need to fix it, go up into the classwork tab. Click View Your Work. And you can see a student has had kind of a rough week, hasn't been able to do a whole lot. Looks like he has turned in Thursday's parts of speech practice, but a lot of other things are missing. And those are things that the student would have to make up during this day, right? So only worry about the stuff from the current week. So the week started on the 13th. Includes the stuff from the 14th, the 15th, and the 16th. If you scroll down way down further, you'll see stuff from previous weeks, like last Thursday, the 9th, or Wednesday, April 1st. You do not need to worry about that stuff. I'm only worried about the stuff currently missing from this week. So please don't worry about all that other stuff because Google Classroom took us some getting used to. So I'm really just super concerned about the stuff from this current week. All right, super quick video this morning. I hope everyone has an awesome day, and I'm really looking forward to seeing everyone at our morning meeting at 9 o'clock. And I'm going to be available via email between 8 and 3 o'clock this afternoon if you have any questions. All right, have a super day, everybody.